Hey guys, this is Trainer Dino here, and today we are back with the part 2 of the Pokemon journey of Max. In the last part, we saw Max start his Pokemon journey after failing to get his desirable starter Trico. He had to settle for Ralts, but it turned out to be a blessing in disguise as Ralts proved to be much more powerful than the Trico, as he was able to battle his new rival Brendan, and not only defeat him but also move on to Rushboro City where he defeated Roxanne quite handily to win his first match. Today we are going to see where his journey takes him this time. This is part 2 of the Pokemon journey of Max. Max arrived in Dewford Town after catching a ferry from Petalburg. As he arrived, he saw Brawly training with himself near the beach. He immediately went up to him and asked him for a battle. Brawly of course accepted, but asked Max if he would like a day or off to train. But Max told him that he is ready for the battle right now. So Brawly accepted this and decided to battle Max in the island itself, as he said that his gym needed some repairs to do. Max accepted this despite knowing that the outside climate and the terrain would definitely favor Brawly more, as he had experience training in the sand. Nonetheless, the battle starts as Max sends out his Ralts to begin with. Ralts is of course a psychic and fairy type, so you don't have a massive advantage over whatever fighting type Brawly sends out. Brawly decides to go with his Machop, and this turns out to be much more difficult than Max expected it to be. Machop is able to dodge Ralts' confusion attacks and is able to hit him with a new move that Max has never seen before. This of course is Bullet Punch, and Bullet Punch always strikes first. As the battle goes on, it seems like Ralts' special attacks are not doing as much damage as Max thought them to be. Brawly tells Max that he and Machop have been training non-stop just to prepare him for taking special attacks like Psychic and Fairy types. And soon enough, once one more Bullet Punch finally takes out Ralts. This completely throws Max off his game, as he expected Ralts to absolutely destroy the first Pokemon Brawly sent out and then inflict some more damage on his next Pokemon, which Max knew how to be Hariyama. But now Machop has taken out his ace right off the bat. Max, however, decides that Shroomish would be able to swallow up this battle as he sends him out. Shroomish starts off with Stun Spore, which connects, but Brawly tells Max that this was a big mistake as Machop starts to glow red. This of course indicates his Guts ability being activated. Now the move hits Shroomish more and more. Bullet Punch, Karate Chop are the moves that Machop has in its arsenal, and they are enough to completely beat up Shroomish pretty bad. However, Shroomish is able to connect with the Leech Seed, which starts to sap Machop's energy. This this gives Max a slight advantage as he is able to connect with Mega Drain to heal some more. However, just as Max thought that he was starting to gain the upper hand, Machop started to glow, triggering its evolution into Machoke. And this completely tips the favor to Broly's scale, as Machoke is able to use a powerful Karate Chop powered up with Guts. It's able to completely take out Shroomish, handing Broly the 2-0 victory. Max is absolutely shocked as he cannot believe that he was defeated so easily and was not able to KO even one of Broly's Pokemon. Broly tells him to rest up his Pokemon in the Pokemon Center and advises him that to train in the Granite Cave, as he would be able to see his flaws and train on them accordingly. Max is still shocked but accepts the advice as he rests up in the Pokemon Center, and the next day he heads out to Granite Cave. Upon arriving into the Granite Cave, he is able to catch himself an Aron, as he was pretty fond of steel types. After that, he starts to train up his Pokemon. However, he is approached by a stranger. This of course is Steven, who had come to Granite Cave to research on some rocks and fossils. He asks Max if if he needs any help with training, and Max recognizes him as the champion of the Hoenn League, and he, of course, accepts his advice. Steven starts off by saying that Max should not focus on type advantages much and should focus on training his Pokemon to not only overcome type advantages but also have a secret plan up his sleeve. This motivates Max as he starts to train under Steven's tutelage, and this training pays off as after a day, Shroomish is able to break through his limits and evolve into a powerful Breloom. And Ralts, although not evolving, is able to master his Confusion attack and increase its durability thanks to training with Steven's Steel-type Pokemon. This gives Max enough confidence to challenge Broly once again, as he goes to the gym to confront him. This time, Broly starts off with his Machoke, and Max starts off with Breloom. This is an extremely close battle, as Broly is really impressed by Breloom's evolution and its Mark Punch. Mark Punch and Bullet Punch collide, followed by Bullet Seed and Karate Chop. And after a tough battle, the both Pokemon manage to knock each other out, bringing the fight into a one-on-one. Max anticipates this as he sees Hariyama coming out. Max sends out Ralts, and Broly can see that Ralts has leveled up quite considerably after the last fight. Confusion attack hits home as Hariyama is pushed back. However, Hariyama starts to push forward with arm thrust and karate chops. As Max tries to attack with a disarming voice, Hariyama hits a vital throw which causes a lot of damage. This triggers Ralts' evolution into Krylia. Krylia is able to take out Hariyama using the newly learned Moon Blast and Psychic attacks, giving Max the victory after a hard-fought battle, and this wins him the Knuckle Badge. After this, Max thanks Broly and asks him if he should challenge the gym next or he should train up his Pokemon a bit more. Broly tells him that he should go to Slateport City and train up his Pokemon before challenging the Marvel City gym. Max takes his advice as he catches another ferry, this time to Slateport. This brings us to the end of the part. This was a relatively short part, and there is a reason for this because the next part will be a really long one. That would be like 2 gyms, I think. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part, and will be release the next part pretty soon. I think today itself. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.